name is Eric Carls. I'm the Director of Engineering and Zoning for the City of Peru. We've been working with GAF for the last several years to potentially locate a plant here, and as you can see behind me, we were successful in that. They employ about 70 people currently. They're a polyiso board plant for roofing materials, and they're one of the largest roofing manufacturers in the company. So it's really important to us to bring high quality manufacturing jobs to the community. We're able to utilize the EDP program through the DOT to help us to construct nearly half a mile or so of new concrete roadway to serve the site. I was able to reach out to Mr. John Paris, and he walked me through the process very quickly. We had a very willing company helping us through the applications and those submittals to the DOT. And I would say it was pretty streamlined, and we moved very quickly. Just speaking with John today, and our project start to finish was, we believe, about a calendar year. So we were on a very expedited timeline, and I think that was because of the program and the way that the process is set up for the EDP program.
This project is not just about building a road to service this building behind us. If you were here, you'd be able to see this road starts way down on Plank Road and weaves its way up here. We are adjacent to US Interstate 80 up to this plant. There's also a great deal of property that is still empty between the beginning of this road up to where it dead ends here. And there's still room for it to expand further. This is not just about servicing this property. This is about servicing the potential of other properties all around this area.
GAF approached us about 1.5 years ago to say that it was an exciting development for our industrial park here in Peru is an understatement, and it's really unmeasurable what they've done so far with creating of 70 jobs, and with this development of this road. There's more expansion coming soon for Peru, and we're really excited about this new development. The road that we're standing on right here is a big addition to this. They're going to be averaging about 70 semis per day when they're at full production, and an easy access road like this means a lot to their production and general overall production.
There's just a huge amount of opportunity in this area, and this is why we have the Economic Development Program at IDOT, so that we can come in and help these local agencies build their communities.
Hey!